Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, yeah, Papa, peace, Mama. Oh, Bobo. I know it's Saturday. What is the day today? 16. 16th of December. We were not going to do this vlog, but then again, Mos, something happened. And then today we are going to the beach. That's what we normally do anyway. Apha ke nge-16 sibheka elwandle besingazoya bethunana. This is like a spare of the moment thing. Spare of the moment. Niyayiva? So ke i-vlog yaqala ke.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You and me, written in the stars.
Hi. Uyabaleka ho? andithi nguye othanda izinto uthanda kwakhe izinto makaze kaloku siyahamba siyaphi siya ePick n Pay. Do you know what's up? Do you know what time it is? It's about to. Not you saying gosh. Oh guys. You know what time it is? We are about to turn up. Yayiva. Period.